So this morning I am at my high school friend, elementary school, because we're gonna teach a class to the kids. I'm not wearing any makeup or nothing, and I have my suitcase right here. I got my suitcase right there because I'm literally hopping on a flight right after I teach the class. I'm really excited to be here. I haven't stepped into a school like since 2018, since I graduated, so it's been a minute. And I'm kind of happy today because I'm, first of all, I'm in elementary school. Like, so seeing all these kids is reminding me of my nephew, who's only 6. I'm teaching 9 to 10-year-olds today, but still a great feeling. All right, y'all, before I get into the classroom, moment of pride and joy. You know what that says? It says Miss Weekly. I'm so proud of you, girl. I mean, we went to high school together, and look at you. You are our teacher. All right, y'all, so we just wrapped up in the classroom. The kids are in recess right now, so I'm just waiting on them to come back. And we're gonna take like a group picture, and I'm super excited for that. The class went really good. I basically did an exercise with them of drawing or painting out somebody else's poem. And that was to connect with somebody else's feeling and trying to relate to somebody else's creation. It went really good. They felt like they learned something more about the person that they were paired with. And we paired them with somebody that they least know of or interact with on a daily basis. So mission accomplished, y'all. I feel like they knew more about the person that they were with, and unity was the key of the exercise. And what I do in music, what I learned is that the number one key is to be united. If you don't have a team, if you don't have like-minded people, it's hard. Let me show y'all some of their creation. This is crazy. So like I said, they had to paint all of this was done in 8 minutes, you guys. Look at this one. And some of these here. Oh, I didn't realize they put them in a rack to dry out. This has been a great experience. I want to say thank you, Lorena, for giving me the chance to come and teach your kids. They were amazing. These kids are so creative and quick. I mean, these kids came up with like rap bars and poems and songs in like 8 minutes. And I told them sometimes songwriters take weeks to write a song, and they came up with great stuff in 8 minutes. Stuff that we laughed at. Somebody rapped about cows. Somebody else like an alligator eating a human. This definitely brought me back to school times. It's been a while. I finished college in the winter semester, so it was December 2018. But I really walked the stage and graduated May 2019. It's been a while. Thank you, Lorena. I live for these full circle moments when you grow up with somebody and you don't know, what career they're going to branch out to when we're all grown up. And my friend just so happens to be the best elementary teacher. I wish you all the best, Lorena. I love you. This room also screams her, my friend, because it is full of Harry Potter stuff. Look. Yep, you can tell Lorena's been here. Thank you for everyone for watching. I love you guys. Directly reporting from elementary school. Can't name the name. But
2, 3.
Unity! Good morning, y'all. It is currently It is currently 4:19. That's right. I have no makeup. I'm on my way to the airport right now. Flight is at 6:55. Should be. We're trying to get there by 5, the latest. I got my TSA pre-check, so I should be good. I forgot to check in. Hold on. What's up, guys? And just like that, we made it to ATL. I'm gonna grab a car now and then go to the city. Alright, I feel like I got 2 seconds to talk. It all went so fast this morning that I really didn't have like the chance to keep y'all updated and like past TSA, getting at the gate, getting to the gate, the flight, and now we're here. Now I'm gonna get my rental car. It just feels like I was just here and almost like I never left. Hey y'all. So I hit my mandatory first stop every time I come to Atlanta. And it is visiting my old house. This is my second time that I visit my old house ever since I moved out. And the reason why I like to go back to this house, you guys, is because it just shows me growth. This is going back to old places, and especially places of struggle. It's like a visual of your growth. And I'm just thinking how much my life has changed and how many things I have changed ever since I moved out of here, which now it's been, so I moved out December 7th. Was it December 7th? I moved out in December, first week of December last year. So it's 11 months, you guys. Wow, so much has happened in 11 months. Imagine if I stayed here for 11 months. My family and other people might question why I feel so connected to Atlanta and this house. If there were great places of struggle, I feel like when I lived here and I experienced what I experienced, I went through it completely alone. I didn't include any member of my family into this. Nothing. Nobody knew. I didn't have people there for me. And so it was the very first time in my life where Ludo had to figure it all out by herself and get out of it solely and exclusively by the strength of her own arms and legs. And so I proved to myself so much personal strength that this is why I feel connected to this place. The place that has brought so much pain, but it has made me the person that I am today. That's exactly the reason why I understand now. Sometimes people go back to places or visit places that have hurt them so much, because I'm staring at my battlefield. I'm staring at my training field, you know, where I learned life from, and where I defeated all of my fears and weaknesses. I hope you guys can sense how much gratefulness I have in my heart through this video. Life is a crazy journey. The only secret ingredient to this recipe is you not giving up and tunnel vision in your purpose. That's it. I love you guys. I'm gonna soak it all in one more time for a little bit more, and then I'm gonna run some errands, maybe see some friends. I'm supposed to shoot some content today, which I'm really excited about. So yeah, we're back. I'm home. We are visiting my auntie's house. You wanna say hi, Pooh? Wanna say hi? Say hi, guys. What? Look at your face. Look at that face. Oh, a little stinky booty. Stinky booty. Stinky booty. What you not doing?
I'm gonna get closer.
Closer?
Closer?
Oh, cousin. Ooh, stinky, stinky baby. Hey, we're not picking our nose. MK, what were you saying? Did you just fall? What were you telling Auntie? Chill, chill, chill. Hey, yo, okay. Dance, 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 dance. Look at you. Swagalicious, baby. MK? Ouch. Oh, what? Oh, what? Do it again if you can't. Ow! Alright, y'all. Quick update on the situation. So, what I ended up doing for the rest of the day, I spent it with my nephews. I babysit them. I mean, granted, one is 9 and the other one is 1. So, now what we're doing, we're trying to retrieve my bag, y'all. It's 7 hours past my flight, and I'm still waiting for my bag. Sorry, I look so tired.